Welcome, seekers of cosmic knowledge and spiritual enlightenment, to a journey that transcends the boundaries of ordinary understanding. Today, we unveil the mysteries of the Mother Ark, a profound cosmic force that holds the keys to our spiritual evolution. Join us as we delve deep into the heart of creation, exploring the 13th pillar, the aquamarine ray, and the transformative power of the Mother Ark. Prepare to unlock secrets that have been hidden for eons and to embark on a journey of awakening and renewal. Get ready to expand your consciousness, embrace the divine, and embark on a quest for spiritual unity. This is your portal to enlightenment. This is the path of the Mother Ark. Don't miss a single moment of this transformative journey. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for our exploration of the Mother Ark. Welcome to Baldy's Thoughts. Let's begin. In this comprehensive video, we delve deep into the enigmatic realm of the Mother Ark, uncovering its significance, functions, and profound impact on our spiritual journey. Join us on a transformative exploration of the 13th pillar, the aquamarine ray, and the cosmic forces that shape our reality. The Mother Ark unveiled. The 13th pillar, often referred to as the transharmonic gates, serves as the gateway through which the Holy Mother begins her divine reclamation of creation. Within this sacred space, advanced Godhead technology, intricately woven into the Ark's own blue ray architecture, facilitates the transmission of the Sophianic female coding, ushering in a new era of enlightenment. The Crystal Guardians have aptly named this facet of the Mother's aquamarine ray the 13th pillar gateway. It bestows upon us a newfound quality of sonoluminescence and magnetic forces that reverberate within the Earth's crystal core. This transformation is made possible through the Mother's proton seed or cosmic egg and the fusion of blue plasma cores constituting the aquiline sun. This union catalyzes the healing of creation, aligning it with its original divine blueprint, while awakening the planetary Albion body. The Mother Ark and its cosmic significance. The Mother Ark represents an integral component of the animating spiritual forces within the Aurora Ether, the cosmic Holy Spirit intimately connected to the Godhead, the Zero Point, and the Eternal Flame. This divine essence merges seamlessly with the aquamarine founder ray, infusing the Ark zone with its transcendent power. A portion of the cosmic Holy Spirit is transmitted into our universal time matrix, forming the 13th pillar. This pillar becomes the conduit for the aquamarine layer of Amaria waves, igniting the inner Holy Spirit within the 8th layer of the monadic body in humans. These waves circulate the pulses of living God consciousness throughout the manifestation grid, safeguarding all 12 organic dimensional timeline templates within the 13th pillar's embrace. The eternal flame of the cosmic Holy Spirit awakens the inner flame within the center of the permanent seed atom, initiating the monadic embodiment process. This process unfolds within the sacred crystal heart, establishing two-way communication links between the individual and the divine trinity of the Godhead. It is within this sacred heart that communion with the personal Christ or crystal guardians becomes possible. The Mother Ark, guardian of creation. The Mother Ark embodies the staff principle within the Godhead, intricately interwoven into the advanced architecture of the Ark of the Covenant. This living consciousness portal system is bestowed upon us as a failsafe to safeguard our planetary creation. The Mother Ark's union with the Zero Point and its direct connection to Aurora hosting give birth to the Creatrix field. This specialized void space serves the purpose of re-encrypting and resurrecting elementals and raw substances throughout creation. These elements had fallen victim to alien dark reversal and 8D Metatronic infection within our universe. Mother Ark and the Aurora Forces. The Aurora Forces in Andromeda join hands with the Mother Ark to facilitate the rebirth of elemental and tetramorphic patterns within the natural kingdoms. This process aligns with the Christic divine blueprint, infusing the aquamarine ray, the blue diamond chalice frequency, into the sacred crystal heart. This represents the resurgence of humanity's true parent and cosmic mother, seeking to protect and reclaim her children from the phantom. The aquiline heart beats rhythmically to reclaim the vertical spiritual connections that form the Great White Line grid. This grid embodies the feline genetics of the mother's tetramorph pattern, representing the profound wisdom of the Sphinx, which is being restored through the understanding of the Divine Trinity. Navigating with the Mother Ark. Through the guidance of the beloved Mother Ark, we discern the distinction between the alien Dark Mother and its artificial reversal energies emanating from the lunar forces. The real Mother Principle resides deep within the sacred crystal heart, where it radiates the Holy Spirit of the universe. Aqua Mother grants us access to the aquiline sun from the Earth's grid surface, connecting us to the liquid luminal plasma light woven into our Earth's core. These reconnection circuits are made possible by the override pillar gates, transmitting the original parent frequency to heal our inner spirit and light body. Unveiling the fifth harmonic universe. In the fifth density, the consciousness transcends matter, and there are no planetary bodies or human forms as we know them. Instead, we enter the realm of pre-matter, where the consciousness does not manifest into physical forms. In this dimension, the three primal light and sound fields encapsulate the ray expressions of Mother Ark, Father Ark, and Golden Ray Son of Christos. These Trinitarian forces serve as the foundation for creating all biological forms within the harmonic universes. The significance of the Mother Ark. The Mother Ark serves multiple functions within our cosmic framework. The 13th pillar and transharmonic gates, these serve as gateways for the transharmonic gates and the powerful aquamarine ray energy, rekindling magnetic forces deep within our Earth's core. The Psyche Pisces to Trinity form. The Vesica Pisces pattern represents the merging of masculine and feminine energies, and we are transitioning from the 11-11 electron spin to the 12-12 pattern, harmonizing these energies on our planet. Mother Ark Stargate locations. These locations, including Uluru and Stonehenge, act as energetic power points for the Mother Ark, facilitating its transformative influence on Earth. Mother's Portal in Uluru, the eastern Australian seaboard, with Uluru as a focal point, plays a crucial role in activating the Mother Ark's frequencies, igniting the Giza Pyramid, Sphinx underground chambers, and inner Earth circulatory systems. Mother Ark Hubs. The Mother Ark Hubs planetary grid network connects with the Earth core chakra and the universal Mother Ark, returning the blue ray to its source. It activates the threefold founder flame under the aqua blue ray, leading to the ascended master fields of the rainbow rays. Unlocking spiritual marriage through the Mother Ark. The Mother Ark paves the way for the realization of spiritual marriage, a mathematical pattern of 13-13 female spin and 12-12 male spin. As the crystal star frequencies return, the template of sacred spiritual union between the rod and staff functions of our light body's Merkabah field comes into focus. This spiritual mission aims to bring about Heroes Gamos, uniting the divine masculine and feminine energies, marking a significant transformation on our planet. The Override Pillar Gates, disrupting false parent energies. The override pillar gates play a pivotal role in disrupting the false parent energy structures used by the negative alien agenda. By creating religious intermediaries posing as the mother and father principles, these energies have manipulated humanity. However, the mother and father arcs, once connected to the armory of flame, override these false constructs, restoring the true divine order. The reclamation of mother-child RNA-DNA records. The Holy Mother, through the Mother Ark Hubs, initiates the healing of genetic bonds, correcting the RNA-DNA records within humanity's divine blueprint. This process extracts the influence of Black Lilith archetypes, aligning the mitochondria and chromosomal bonds with the Holy Mother's eternal flame. This monumental shift aims to dissolve the patriarchal domination coding network and the alien Dark Mother constructs that have plagued our planet. Reaching Cosmic Mother Dragon. The Cosmic Mother Dragon, overseer of the four dragon realms, plays a crucial role in restoring and reanimating the dragon's many parts within our reality. As Solar Christ Mary returns as the Cosmic Dragon, buried histories rise to the surface, awakening long-forgotten memories of our spiritual heritage. Mother's Aqua Portal, a path to renewal. The Mother's Aqua Portal tunnel vortex offers renewal and reclamation of resources. Forms, structures, and entities can be sent to the Cosmic Mother for rehabilitation or transit. This process allows for the digestion and recycling of unused or dead resources, aligning them with their inherent nature. Embrace the crystal blue lotus heart. Upon the activation of the 8th chakra, the Amaria flame ignites, connecting us to the Mother Ark. This activation opens the aqua portal for the transit of souls and entities, allowing them to be dispensed, rehabilitated, or transported to the Mother. It is a direct manifestation of the law of one and the return of the Holy Mother to our planet. In conclusion, the Mother Arc is an intricate tapestry of cosmic forces, divine principles, and spiritual transformations. It guides us towards unity, healing, and the reclamation of our true spiritual heritage. As we embrace its profound influence, we embark on a journey of enlightenment and renewal, reconnecting with the divine essence that resides within us and the universe at large. Thank you for joining us on this profound journey through the realms of the Mother Arc. We hope you've gained new insights, found inspiration, and deepened your connection to the cosmic forces. If you've enjoyed this exploration and want to continue your quest for spiritual wisdom, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay connected with our community by following us on social media for updates, discussions, and exclusive content. And remember, the path of the Mother Arc is a journey of endless discovery. So keep seeking, keep learning, and keep expanding your consciousness. Thank you for being a part of our cosmic community. Until next time, may the light of the Mother Arc guide your way. Stay tuned for more enlightening adventures on Baldy's Thoughts.